Experience profound rejuvenation with this cellular light infusion meditation, designed to activate your body's natural healing through guided visualization and high vibrational energy. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep, cleansing breath in through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. With every breath, feel your body becoming heavier, sinking into the support beneath you. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine, anchoring you into the earth. You are safe. You are present. Visualize a brilliant, crystalline sun hovering just inches above the crown of your head. This is the source of cellular light infusion. See a beam of liquid golden light beginning to pour from this sun into your crown chakra. It flows down your face, your neck, and your shoulders. Melting away any tension or density. Now zoom your awareness inward. See the trillions of cells that make up your body as tiny, translucent spheres. As the golden light flows through your bloodstream, watch as each cell begins to absorb this radiance. The nucleus. See the center of each cell ignite with a tiny spark. The DNA. Imagine the light spiraling through your genetic code, clearing out old patterns and resetting your blueprint to perfect health. The expansion. The cells are no longer just absorbing light, they are becoming light. Feel a gentle tingling or warmth as your entire physical form vibrates at a higher frequency. The light is now so bright that it overflows from your cells, filling the spaces between them, and eventually radiating out beyond your skin. You are a vessel of pure restorative energy. Mentally repeat, every cell in my body is filled with light. I am vibrant. I am renewed. I am whole. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the renewed vitality in your limbs. When you are ready, open your eyes, carrying this cellular brilliance with you into the rest of your day.